As it's nearly Christmas, we thought we'd share with you 4 really quick and simple ideas that you can make with your children. Now, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content.
For the wreath, you will need some colourful bits of felt, pipe cleaners, a paper plate, green paint, pom-poms, bells and some glue. Start by cutting the centre out of a paper plate. Then paint the back of the plate green. Bend some pipe cleaners into star shapes. Then glue onto matching sheets of felt and trim around the stars when dry. Glue the stars onto the plate. Then decorate with colourful pom-poms and bells. Glue a bent pipe cleaner to the back of the plate so that you can hang it. For the letter decorations, you will need scraps of corrugated card, colourful wool, pom-poms and glue. Start by sketching out your letters onto corrugated card. Try to keep them all roughly the same size for consistency and keep edges straight. Cut these out. Then, to make them a little thicker, glue each one onto another piece of card and trim to size. Glue the end of some wool to the back of the letter, then add a little more glue to the back of the card to hold the wool in place. Wrap the wool around the letter, working from left to right. First go in one direction, making sure all the edges of the card are covered. When you reach the other side, add a little more glue to hold it in place. Then go back over the letter in the opposite direction, from bottom to top. Add more glue where needed. This way, the letter will be nice and plump and all the edges will be neatly covered. Make stripy letters like these ones by repeating the process, holding 2 lengths of wool and wrapping them round together. If you like, you can decorate the letters with pom-poms. Then cut short lengths of matching wool, loop around, glue to the back of the letter and trim to size so that you can hang your decorations. For the Christmas tree game, you will need a cardboard box, green, red and blue paint, glue, colourful bits of felt, sparkly pipe cleaners, acrylic pens or sharpies and some pom-poms. Begin by cutting the box in half. The largest side will be the front. We've cut it diagonally across the sides so that it's angled forwards like this. Draw a large triangle onto the box with a square at the bottom for your tree. Then draw 3 circles down the centre, going from small to large. We've used cookie cutters, but you could draw around jar lids or cups. Cut the circles out to make targets for the pom-poms. Paint the tree, base and background. Cut a yellow star, small colourful circles and little yellow rectangles from felt. Glue the rectangles on top of the circles to make baubles. Arrange the baubles and glue to the tree, then add sparkly pipe cleaners around the edge of each hole. Draw on numbers above each hole for scores using acrylic pens or sharpies. To make the reindeer antlers, you will need brown and cream felt, a hairband, double-sided tape, 2 pipe cleaners, glue and a glue gun, pom-poms and bells. Make a template for a reindeer antler and use it to cut 4 antlers from brown felt. Cover the hairband in felt. To do this, add double-sided tape to 2 small strips and cover the ends of the band. Then add tape to the inside of the band and wrap longer strips all the way around it. Fold a piece of brown felt in half and cut 2 ear shapes. Use it as a template to cut 2 more ears from cream felt. Cut the cream ears so that they are a bit smaller than the brown ones. Then glue them into the brown felt. Add some double-sided tape to 2 of the antlers, then bend pipe cleaners and attach down the middle, bending them roughly to the shape of the antler. Place the remaining antlers on top and use a glue gun to stick them together, leaving a couple of inches unglued at the bottom. Wrap the antlers around the hairband and glue underneath. Then glue the ears to the bottom and back of the hairband. Finally, decorate the hairband by arranging and gluing on pom-poms and bells.
So there we have it, 4 fun festive Christmas makes for kids. Bit of a tongue twister. Don't forget to check out the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub where there's loads more ideas for things that you can make with your kids this Christmas. Thanks for watching.